Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Today's video is the October Bellabox unboxing, so let's get into it. I literally just walked in the door from work. Just got home, and this is in the letterbox, and I couldn't even wait to get out of my clothes to unbox this thing. So let's rip into it and see what we got this month. So this month's theme is Saint and Sinners, and we've got the details of the products. So the first thing in the box is obviously the most exciting product. It is the Australis Fresh and Flawless Press Powder. I got the shade Light Beige. I actually own this already. So yeah, you know I love it. I was so excited when we were told we were getting this in the box and we were to choose a colour and all that sort of stuff. Because I needed the lighter shade, obviously. And I know I already had it in my makeup collection, but I really do enjoy this product, so I'll definitely get to use it eventually. I just got to use the other one up first. But yeah, this is a wonderful powder. It makes your skin really smooth, and you know, it doesn't make you look too heavy, but there's still coverage. Love this. Just big thumbs up. Absolutely great product for the box. So this one is a full-size product. It is $15.95 at Priceline and the Australis Cosmetics online website. Fight, shine and achieve an enviable complexion with Australis cult classic and best-selling Fresh and Flawless Pressed Powder. Packed full of skin perfectors, this makeup must-have is cruelty-free and vegan-friendly. So even better. Next, we have a fragrance sample. This is the Narciso Rodriguez for her Pure Musc Eau de Parfum. It's just a sample size, but you can buy the full 100ml size for $217 frickin' at Myer and David Jones. I can tell you right now, I'm not buying this. Oh my lord, that is expensive. That is almost my, that's like half my mortgage payment. Like, come on. Great, I'm gonna smell super expensive. A singular olfactive composition renders the dual nature of a woman anew with a heightened immediacy. Narciso Rodriguez's signature musk is reinterpreted and refined with a disarming purity and a rich depth. The sublime heart of musk is enhanced with a white floral bouquet, while cashmeran lends warmth. A supremely addictive scent for her Pure Musc Eau de Parfum teaches the senses and envelops the body. That was a mouthful. So let's see if this actually smells decent. And I love it's actually a spray sample. I hate the ones that just pop top and oil everywhere. Oof. I mean, it doesn't smell like what a $200 perfume smells like, you know what I mean? I feel like you could buy this something similar but a lot cheaper. But it is nice, so that's good. I would just never pay $217 for a perfume. Next, we have a Palmer's Coconut Oil Body Lotion. We received a lot of Palmer's Coconut Oil products from Bellabox before. Likely I've received this before, who knows, I've received BellaBoxes for years, but we do receive a lot of the products from this brand. Created for the pure love of coconut, Palmer's Coconut Oil Body Lotion is infused with pure coconut oil and Tahitian manoi, making it deeply moisturizing. Meanwhile, firm tone and tighten skin with coconut antioxidant firming lotion. Apply this hard-working unique blend onto your skin and leave it nourished, silky and visibly firmer looking. So there was actually a few different ones we could get. You could either get the coconut oil body lotion or the oil formula antioxidant firming lotion. So I just got the body lotion. Not gonna lie, I probably would have preferred the firming lotion, but it is what it is. So this body lotion is just a sample, but the full size is $7.39 and the other one's full price is $9.99, and it's available at Priceline and Chemist Warehouse. So yeah, kind of underwhelmed. It's just a lotion, like something I sell at my job. It is some Sunsense sensitive invisible sunscreen. I literally have samples like this. So yeah, I mean, not everyone works in the same place, I guess. This is just a sample size, but the full size is $10.95, available at pharmacies nationally and egoshop.com.au. I can't remember the price that I sell it for, but I don't sell anything with 95 cents on the end, so probably around that mark though. Designed for sensitive skin, this gentle zinc-based lotion combines SPF 50, broad spectrum protection, and the moisturizing benefits of vitamin B. Its lightweight feel, its clear drying formula makes it ideal to use on the face and body, suitable for babies. I mean, I guess because I'm dealing with products like these for my job, I kind of know what to expect from this. And I must say, like, it's not a bad product. I would recommend it. As someone with sensitive skin as well, I definitely would. And samples like these are great for traveling with, so I'll probably just save it for when I travel next. But yeah, I really do believe this is a good product. I do recommend it to people. I'm not just saying that. I really do, especially as someone with sensitive skin. I have tried this, so I do know it is a good product. So just, it sucks that I already have access to it, but that's not Bellabox's fault. Like, we're coming into summer in Australia. This is actually a decent thing to put in a box. But I bet you, like, $1 million are going to include more sunscreen before the end of summer. Come on, they've done it every freaking year. Next, we have WaterWipes. This is the sample, like the bonus. So thank God, because I'm not receiving 2 wipes as one of the products. It's a sample, that's fine. It's a face wipe. I will add it to my stack. I just use them when I'm putting my makeup on, you know, getting hands clean, fixing mistakes. I just use my face halo to take off my makeup anyway, so this will definitely get used, but more so on my hands. Then last but not least, we have a product that was shown on social media that we were getting, and this is the Balnea hand sanitizer. You can never go wrong with hand sanitizer, only that we've received one within a few months ago. I'm pretty sure it was like a Palmolive one. Anyway, still haven't finished it yet, so a lot more. This is a sample size, but you can buy this sample size. You can buy the 50 mils for $2 it was. So the fact that we're getting a $2 product as one of the main products is not fair. This $2 product should be the bonus. Like, come on, $2? Like, the whole price of this box is probably not 20 bucks. Like, you got $2 here and everything else is sample. This is full size and it's $15.95. Together, this is $17.95. And considering you can't buy, like, these samples are worth cents each. Like, I get them for free anytime I ask the rep for them. This box isn't worth the $20 I paid for it, is all I'm going to say. But back to this product. Sanitizing has never looked, smelt, or felt so good. With a formula that kills 99.9% of germs without water, it is formulated to gently but effectively clean and nourish hands. That's great. It'll get used, but I'm very disappointed at the price. Not of the product, but like the fact that this is a main product in the box. Like, it's $2. I get it, it's a decent sized product. It's a product that most people is going to use. I get that. Don't fling it everywhere. I understand that perspective of it, but I want to get value for money. I want to know that I'm getting more. I want to know that the contents of the box cost more than what I'm paying for it. These sample products are samples, and literally they're worth cents each. Like, it's not, there's not a lot of value in them. and you can't get a lot of use out of them because after a couple times they're done. It's a decent size, but should be a sample, or there should be more expensive items in the box. So for $17.95 for these, I already own it, and I already have hand sanitizer. So a bit disappointed. Then there's also this card in the box. Basically it's advertising GC Premium Glam Corner. Whatever. That's everything in the box. So what did you guys think of what you got in your box? Did you get something different to what I got? Did you get something better than what I got? I've had worse boxes, I guess I could say, but this box was a letdown for me. I know it's not Bellabox's fault. I already own that pressed powder, but I feel like a lot of people already own that pressed powder. Yeah, two or three sample products, $2 hand sanitizer as a main product. Like, I love you, Bellabox, but this was not that good. I'm not impressed. But hopefully you'll get it better next month. So that's just my opinion. These products might be awesome for you. But yeah, everyone's different. So yeah. I've had a long day. Hopefully it's better next month. Alright guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, let me know what you thought about the box in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next unboxing. Bye guys.